Can you solve this fraction and the divisions inside this in 3 seconds? Pause video and try. For learning or for solving this fraction, which includes division in the numerator, in the upper part, and for any types of orders of operations, you must learn PEMDAS at first. So PEMDAS is the only correct order of operations. So let's learn about this acronym. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority from highest to the lowest priority. PEMDAS means that you must go for parentheses at first, then go for exponents, then go for multiplication and division. They have the same priority. You must go from left to right. And finally, addition and subtraction from left to right. But do we have any parentheses in this fraction? So you must regard and consider the upper part and the lower part of the fractions as grouping, as one group. So imagine they are inside parentheses. You can't simplify, for example, because these are now division. You can't simplify this way, and you might have, for example, addition or subtraction. So let's do the upper part at first, so the numerator. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3, right? So 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. And then 3 divided by 9 gives us 3 over 9, or 1/3. So that's the upper part, the upper part of this fraction, or in other words, numerator. So please learn these terms as well. The upper part is called the numerator. And fortunately here we just have one digit in the denominator of our fraction. So let's now rewrite it again. So 1/3 over 3. So we can write it as 1/3 divided by 3, right? So for division, you can, if you have a number and you want to divide it by a fraction, you can easily change the sign, the operation, into multiplication and flip the upper part and the lower part of the fraction. These are the same things because division and multiplication, they are basically two sides of a coin. So let's do that again. 1/3 divided by 3 is times, so flip the upper part and the lower part, or reciprocate the fraction, 1/3. And for multiplying that, multiplying two fractions, at first multiply the numerator, so 1 times 1 gives us 1, and then multiply the denominator, so 3 times 3 gives us 9. So this is called, the bottom part is called denominator. It looks like Terminator, but denominator. So this is the only answer. Please make sure to subscribe to the video to support me and like the video, and as your homework. So let's make it a little difficult. Please make sure to do this. What would the answer be if we had just this part? 3 divided by 9 inside parentheses and raised to the power of 2. So make sure to drop your answers in the comments below.